Hey everybody, I got a really fun recipe for you guys. We're going to be making spinach with peanuts. It's a very easy recipe, a very simple recipe. I think you're going to like it. I can't wait to share it with you. We start by adding 1 tablespoon of Earth Balance vegan spread to our skillet to melt down. Now we'll add a 1/2 cup of raw peanuts. This recipe is an African recipe. I think I was making something for a Kwanzaa event some years ago, and I wanted to take a dish, something that I don't usually make. I usually take a lot of my dishes to different events around the city, so I wanted to do something that I never made before. And since it was a Kwanzaa event, I decided to look up an African recipe. So I saw this one. It's a pretty simple recipe of just spinach and peanuts. And what I love about it is that I'm not even a fan of peanuts, but for some reason it really goes in this recipe. Just adding these 2 ingredients. Who would have ever thought of adding peanuts to your spinach? But it really works. It's a really good recipe, and I think you're gonna like it a lot. We're gonna continue to stir the peanuts. We want them to kind of fry in the Earth Balance vegan margarine. It's gonna give it a really good flavor. Now I'm adding 1 bag of raw organic baby spinach, and we're going to toss this in with the peanuts. Again, like I said, I'm a person who doesn't even like peanuts, but for some reason it just really goes. We tend to think that the recipe has to be something really fancy with 1,000 ingredients, but sometimes it's really simple recipes like this. Who would have ever thought of adding peanuts to spinach? And the two, again, they really go good together. So I know you're going to like this recipe a lot. The spinach is wilting down pretty good. This is really good. It's a nice protein balanced spinach dish. Something that I think your children will like a whole lot. I'm going to get ready to add some pink Himalayan salt here in a second. We're going to add that, and you can add a little bit of garlic powder if you like. But it's a really simple 3 ingredient recipe. Your vegan butter, your peanuts, and your spinach. And this is really good. You're going to be amazed at how good and simple this is. So something you can add into your weekly rotation for dinner. Something a little bit different. And I'm telling you, the flavor is awesome. This is really good. And there you have it, spinach with peanuts. I hope you guys enjoy. Please like and subscribe to Vegan Chef Leah and share with all your friends. Thank you. Love you guys.